Well, hello YouTube friends, welcome back to the shop. Today we're working on something a little different. We have a little Yamaha 30, it's a 2002 model motor, and let's just take a peek. Let's see what's going on here. Hey, where'd the motor go? What the heck? I thought these things were supposed to have motors under the covers. Well, it does, but fortunately, it's right over here on the table. Let's just talk about this. Here's the block. It's 3 cylinders. And this will be the top cylinder, this is the middle, here's the bottom. And man, the top cylinder is got some piston drag in it. The middle cylinder looks pretty good. It's got some wear in it. It's got some grooving. And the bottom cylinder, same way, got some wear. Here's the pistons. This would be top side of the motor. Here's the piston. And it is a wreck. There's the bottom piston. You look at these guys. They got hot. Real hot. And what I found is on the bottom cylinder, right in here, the water jacket was completely plugged up. And it was plugged up on the bottom. Obviously this motor had been ran through a lot of sand and rock and shell, and it had plugged the water circulation up, and this guy had ran hot. Also, there was no thermostat in it when we got it. So in this series, I'm gonna show you what it's like when we take it. We're gonna go to the machine shop with it right now and get new pistons, rings, wrist pins, bearings, and see how much we got to bore these cylinders over. So hang out.